Make sure that you uphold and uplift ties. I want to tell you something, technology has advanced. Today we have WhatsApp groups. Most families have a family group or 2 or 3. Participate in it actively, in a positive way. Let people feel empowered and happy to be related to you. Let people feel happy to be a part of that family, such that if they have a problem, it's easy to communicate. Half of the solution of a problem is to be able to tell it to someone you trust. Do you know that? Half of the solution of a problem is to be able to communicate it to someone whom you trust. And that should be those who are closest to you in relation, in the ideal scenario. May Allah Almighty make it easy for us. So we make use of these groups and we can fulfill a duty that was prescribed by Allah through the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam via this technological gift that Allah has given us. So easy. I can maintain ties with a relative who's across the oceans just by a little click of a button or the tapping of a screen. But still we don't do that sometimes. May Allah Almighty make it easy for us. May He make us fulfill each other's rights. My brothers, my sisters, let us make dua that we start off with our own communities and families and societies where when we see each other, we feel so happy, we feel reassured, we feel I've got a solid, genuine brother or sister. They will stand up for me the day something is, and I will stand up for them the day they need it most. That's how it should be. It's not difficult. You just need to be a simple person who cares for everyone, not just yourself.